Oh.
Do you have a license on you? Do you have a M1 and all that? Or you have like a full-on record. It's one of those that take the bike, get your shit straight, man. So just slow down.
Yeah.
All right, man. Take care.
Thank you.
You got your license?
Yeah.
Do you have insurance on the bike?
Yeah. You need me to pull that up for you?
Yeah, if you have.
Okay.
What, 64 or 45?
I was going 64?
Bruh.
Alright. Really?
So the 10th of August, you can make contact with Grand Prix Court.
What's up?
What year is it, man?
2025.
I love it. I'm about to go get an S1000.
Oh yeah, hell
Hey,
yeah.
buddy. Want this?
Yeah, sure. Here, let me get over there. Sick. Hell yeah, bro.
Ride safe, brother.
Alright, man, thank you.
The reason I stopped is I couldn't see your plates at all.
Couldn't see our plates.
Where are you guys coming from tonight?
Riding around. You can't see these?
No, I couldn't see them when I was behind you.
I can read that. Both perfectly fine.
Yeah, you can read it now that we're underneath the gas station.
Yeah, okay, buddy. But yep, I got my license.
Yeah, you have to have it on.
Yep, you can run it though. It's valid.
What's your driver's license number?
I don't know.
What's your social? 4625?
Yes, sir, ski. What's your name and badge number 2, man?
Also Gamble 440.
Gamble 440? Gotcha. Thank you for that.
Yeah, I got pulled over in that parking lot. The fuck happened to my kickstand? Sorry, give me a second.
Where's your license plate?
It's in the back right here.
Why is it there?
I don't have the tools yet.
Put it on.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you new to riding bicycles?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't be dumb, okay? In the future, the police officer tries to pull you over, don't try to evade, okay?
Yeah, I'm not gonna evade.
Put the license plate on it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Where you headed to?
Home?
Where's home at?
Right around the corner.
Okay.
East Point.
Go with the tag or 78 on the field.
It's gonna be a motorbike. I don't mind the motorbike. I'm very busy right now, but abide by the traffic laws. You just can't go through a red light like that.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You
I
wouldn't do
did.
it. Yes,
Oh,
you did.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Abide by
I
the
really,
traffic laws. You're gonna be in the street, okay?
Okay.
Be safe on this bike. Don't do that again.
I
all right?
usually do, I swear to God, but I just...
Yeah, please don't do that again. Go straight home and don't do that. Cause
Okay.
these things, they dangerous. Okay?
I appreciate you.
All right?
All right.
All right, man.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
It's your gun. It's unloaded. Now insert.
Oh, thank you. I can't rack it at all?
Not while I'm standing here, you cannot.
Oh, okay. The last guy let me, that's why. I didn't know. I had to ask.
Hey, man.
Can you see your license?
Of
And
course.
go ahead and get out any other documents that you have.
Of course,
on
of
the
course.
bike. So the reason I'm stopping you is you cannot be in this emergency lane passing cars. Well, you can't even use it as a travel
I
lane.
thought this was a bike lane.
No, that is the bike lane.
That's, oh, I'm so sorry.
You are all the way over and you're passing cars. So this is the lane
Of course.
where we do emergency response in. Because you have no mirrors on this bike. You have a motorcycle endorsement? Do you have insurance on the bike?
I do, yes, yes.
Okay, well that's a start. All right, so I need to get some ID from you.
Of course.
Let me get that from you. Hopefully it's a driver license.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, right on. Is this the current address that you're at on this
course. Yes, sir.
license here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on. All right, let me get back to you in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sit tight. All right, have I got a deal for you? I just wanted to look at these here to see what this is. I can't find my dang multi-tool because I'm taking that plate.
Oh, yeah, you're good, 100%.
So, here's the deal. I'm not impounding the bike today, which is your lucky day.
Thank you so much.
Here's the other deal though, but we're gonna, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna block traffic and we're gonna go right to that 7200 south. At the bottom of it, we're gonna make a right and a right, and you're gonna go down to the gas station where I'm gonna take some time to figure out how to get this plate off.
Okay.
I'll probably end up calling another guy, unless you have that hex nut tool to get that off, station parking lot.
Okay.
And then we can take care of the stuff there.
Okay.
All right, so here's your license back.
Thank you, sir.
What I'm going to do is cite you for everything that we talked about, except for I'm not going to hit you on the mirrors. You still need to have mirrors.
Right.
It's required to have mirrors, but I figured I got to give you a break somewhere besides not towing your vehicle today. Okay, so any questions on how we're going to get across?
No, sir.
It's going to seem kind of hairy, but I'm going to be the one going out, making the block for you.
Okay.
I'm going to take a lane, then you're going to get in front of me. Then I'm going to take a lane,
Yes,
and then
sir.
you're going to get in front of me. Where it's slow like this, it's not too risky.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't do this at high speeds. We'd have to get our speed up and then go down to 90 south.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on.
Okay.
I'll follow you down to that gas station.
With you till the day I die.